So you guys know what this is, right? You guys are about to shit yourselves because this is just about 380 creeper spawners. The richest people on Skyblock ever. One of the most populated servers ever, Lemon Cloud. We got all these spawners right here. It brings in about 10 stacks every 2 minutes. Even more than that. We get about 20 creepers spawning it. And this was me and Stop's idea. Stop, do you want to come over here and take a look at glory? While these beautiful people watch all of our spawners and shit. Jesus. Damn.